Hey guys, get a chance to win some free money when you follow these instructions. And make sure you be the first commenter in all my videos to type Grind Family. And once I get to 6,000 subscribers, you could be the lucky winner. So please click on the link below. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $5 an hour just to listen to music. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and share this everywhere. All right, guys, before I get into this method, as you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm doing a free money giveaway, and all you have to do is be the first one to comment on this video. And I want you to type Grind Family in the comments below. And that's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Hit Predictor. Now, I have talked about this website back in 2020. It's 2021 right now, and this website is still a good website to join and make some money just to listen to music. Now, all you're going to be doing is reviewing music, and you're going to earn gift cards while reviewing music. So not only just going to be reviewing music, you also going to be helping and influencing record labels, radio stations, the artists, and their managers on what gets released to the public. So you playing a major role when you review this music. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, just to show you a little bit more about this website, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account and show you just how it looks inside and how it works. So I'm going to log in right now. All right, guys, I'm in my account right now. So this is how it looks. So I chose mainstream top 40. So when you sign up, they're going to ask you what type of music you like. And you're going to have several choices. So this is one of my choices, which is mainstream top 40. And as you can see, they have all the music here. And they also have different styles of music on the side over here too that you can check out. Now, what you're going to do is go here to navigate. It's going to take you to your home screen, to polls, prize stores, your orders, your past votes, and you can also refer friends, and here are the charts, help and frequently asked questions, your account settings, and privacy policy. So let's just go to home. So this is the home right here page, and they got answer polls, shop prizes, refer friends, charts, and everything I just told you a minute ago. And let's click on my past votes. So when you click here, it's going to show your past votes right here, and it's going to show the rating. And I want to show you this other thing. Okay, now I'm at the prize store, and here are the prizes you can win. So they have weekly raffles of $50, $20, and $100, guys. So you can not only get paid for reviewing music, you can also do raffles and get paid that way also. Okay, I'm at the refer friends page. So refer friends, get bonus points. So you're going to get points when you refer friends. And that's how it works when you review some music. You're going to get points. You can turn those points in for gift cards or even PayPal money. So guys, I don't have any music to review right now because they send it to you when they have some new music. And that's like every other day or something like that. But I just want to show you how it looks inside the website. So if you want to go ahead and start making some money listening to music on this website, just go to hitpredictor.com. Now let me go to the second website. Okay guys, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Slice the Pie. So get paid for your opinion. It's simple. We help people make decisions. So it's similar to the other one, but you're just going to give your opinion. Now it says here, Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help the artists, record labels, brands make decisions. The better your reviews, the more you will earn. Join millions of reviewers now. Now, as you can see here, they have over 51 million reviews submitted and counting. And here are the dollars that have been earned. $6,122,377 have been earned on here. Now let's just click on the frequently asked questions. Okay, I'm at the frequently asked questions. Let's just go ahead and read where it says, what is Slice the Pie? It's simple. We pay you to write reviews on new songs, fashion items, accessories, and commercials before they are released. So guys, you're going to be doing more than just reviewing songs, fashion items, accessories, and commercials. That's why this website right here is one of the top review websites when it comes to music and fashion, commercials. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about what they offer. Now let's go to this one. It says, how do I get paid more? So your payment per review is based on your star rating and the quality of your review. You can earn more by submitting detailed, varied, and constructive reviews in well-written English. So guys, you have to not just say, okay, this was good. You need to say something unique when you talk about the music or the fashion item. They want something unique. So the better your review, the higher your rating, the more money you'll get paid. All right, let's just scroll down here where it says, how do I get my money? So easy. Any earnings can be withdrawn to a PayPal account. Okay, let's just look where it says, how do I get my money? So earnings can be withdrawn to a PayPal account. So you got to have PayPal, guys. And the minimum PayPal withdrawal is $10. PayPal payments take like 5 days. So you got to accumulate at least $10 to withdraw, and it's going to take 5 days to get it. Guys, I'm not going to go through all these frequently asked questions. You can come here when you sign up. Before you sign up, you can read these frequently asked questions and see if this is the site for you guys. Again, this is a really good site. As you can see, they've paid out a lot of money. So to get started, go ahead and go to slicethepie.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about these websites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, if you made it all the way to the very end of this video, please type this number that's going to flash on the screen right now. If you type that down in the comments below, that's going to help you to increase your chances of winning the free money. And also make sure you clicked on the link down in the description or the comments to become eligible for the free money giveaway. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. I really appreciate you guys' support. Let's keep supporting me. Let's grow, guys. Let's grow. 6,000 is right around the corner. Let's get there. Let's get there soon, guys. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.